All right, today we're going to be installing a Cupra R lip on my R32 bumper. Just had it painted, turned out okay. I need some wet sand and polish to get it all finalized, but I'll show you the process of installing the lip quick. As you can see, the R32 bumper doesn't have provisions for a lip to be installed. Also, this isn't the right lip for the bumper, but it's very close in shape, so everybody uses it. I've already trimmed these off. They're little clip-ins, but they just get in the way, so I've trimmed them off. I actually ended up trimming them a little bit too short, but that's just too late. Can't really add material. So what we're gonna do is line it up nice and centered and how we want it, and then because this lip's been on a different bumper before, it's already been drilled, and I'm gonna rivet it on. So we'll do that quick and show you the finished product. Alrighty, and there you have it. That's on. Next step, I'm gonna throw the grills in, and we'll get her ready to put back on the car. All right, now time to get it put back on. Here it is, complete, the grills and the lip on, and here we go, we'll get her put on the car. All right, and there we have it. Let's lower her down and see how she looks. All right, and that is throwing the Cupra R lip on an R32 bumper and threw it on the car quick. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, you know what to do. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace.